I'm gonna teach you the greatest skill you'll use in every aspect of point fighting. Knowing how far you can be before landing that perfect shot can be the difference between getting a point and getting scored on. Let me show you. If you've ever felt just out of reach or one step behind, you need to learn your distancing. Your go zone is the closest your opponent needs to be before you can hit them. Your no zone is just outside them. Understanding your go zone and no zone keeps you in control. Being aware of your zones for every technique keeps you in positions to either score or evade. The next step is adding dynamic power to the movement, seeing how far away you can be from the target, but you can still hit them. We don't always have a training partner, but that's okay, because we're gonna do it on the heavy bag, and lucky for you, it's pretty easy. First, pick a technique you wanna work on. Then, start in your go zone and establish that it is your go zone for that technique. And then back up into your no zone. Do some footwork to get back into your go zone and do the technique. And then do that for every technique that you know. No zone, go zone. We hope this helped. Let us know if you learned something new, and don't forget to
like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.